What's up, guys? This is Jay with the Columbia Watch Society, and today I'm going to do a quick review on a replacement strap I just picked up from my Garmin 735 XT. Before I get into the review, though, if you'd please hit that subscribe button below, that would really help us out, and I'd totally appreciate it. Anyway, without further ado, so needed a new strap for the Garmin. Obviously, I've had this watch for several years, wear it pretty much daily with my workouts. I already had broke the keeper here and replaced it with a hairband for my daughter. So this guy was just about done. So I looked around on Amazon, just Google search, found these guys, StrapsCO. This strap was 15 bucks, shipped to my house, took a couple of days, I think 3-4 days at the most to get here. See the packaging right here, came with the tools. So that you could replace the strap that just exclusive to this Garmin. So some of the other straps that I was looking at on Amazon, it may have been a couple bucks cheaper. It didn't come with the tools. So that was a pretty big, pretty good little pickup there. I chose the strap with the just the little pin thing here that's common on your Apple Watch, or like a road ID here. This has my information on it. That I run in. Thought it was a cool strap. Anyway, just picked it up. But they've got straps for any Garmin watch you have. Generally, a couple of options. This is one of their Garmin's older models, so they don't have quite as great of a selection on there. But I think there were maybe 2 different styles and like multiple colors for this watch. And some of their newer stuff, it was even more options. But just overall, like the rubber's really nice. It's as good as what was originally on the Garmin watch. This, the original Garmin strap here. So for 15 bucks, dude, you just really can't beat it. I will. Man, I think this will last a couple of years easily, and I wear these things pretty hard during my workouts. But anyway, they got tons of other straps on their website. They got tools, they got pins. Like if you lost the pins for your the watch and you needed to replace those, they've got pretty much anything you need. And there's free shipping, so really can't beat it. So anyway, if you got any questions, please comment below. I generally get back within a couple of hours, definitely no longer than a day. And check us out on Instagram at the Columbia Watch Society. We're also on Facebook as well, so you can DM us through there. But yeah, send us over your questions or comments. I'd love to hear from you. Again, please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for checking it out, or checking out our videos. Appreciate it, and y'all have an awesome and epic night. See ya.